You didn't listen to me.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Put on the table. Also this one. Put on the table. Be careful.
A few moments later.
I have to cook your food. Thank you, Mommy. You didn't listen to me.
Okay.
Where did you get from that? Huh? Wanjay? Is it nice? Is it nice? That's not nice. That's not nice. When you speak to Mommy like that, that's not nice. And I cook your food. What you will say to Mommy? What you will say to Mommy? I cook your dinner. Are you angry that I cook dinner? Huh? Are you angry? Yes or no? I will not talk to you if you will not say sorry to Mommy. You cannot watch the cartoon. What you will say to Mommy? Huh? Huh? Oh, come here. What you will say to Mommy? That's not nice, okay? It's not good when Mommy cook food and you say, okay. Is it nice? Yes or no? Oh, that's not nice, okay? Don't do it. Don't do it again. Don't say it again. If Mommy cook food, you will say, thank you, Mommy. You cook food for Kwanja. You cook food for me. Okay? Okay ka? Mommy will not angry if you say it nicely, okay? Love you.